Hello everybody, we're down here in North Hollywood area, and we just worked on this battery. It's a 24 volt 12 170 11 battery, and we worked on it over the weekend with our machines to desulfate it, and it needed major acid adjustments. To one of the cells in the back over there was not holding a charge at all. Now it's all back up and working again, and we've load tested it. Everything is working well. So if you have a battery that is having some issues in this area or anywhere in SoCal, really, we can come out and fix it mobile on site. Usually not everything we fix, maybe 6 or 7 batteries out of 10 that we go look at we can fix, and if not, we can maybe help you find another one to replace it. So give us a call, 888-616-3708. We'd be glad to see if we can help you. Have a great day.